Chocolate nut ball. Merry Christmas, guys, and today this is part 1 of our vegan Christmas. Hey, I'm sure you've got people visiting you and you still want to stay healthy. You know what it's like at Christmas? We eat too much and at the end we're like, oh, we don't want to be like that. So what I've got is a couple of recipes where you can eat and feel like you're indulging yourself, but actually it's really healthy. Part 1, I'm going to make chocolate nut balls, and part 2, I'm going to make carrot and coconut balls as well. 2 lovely recipes, really easy, no oven, so long as you've got something to mush it all up, and you're going to be in absolute heaven when you try these recipes. So part 1, vegan chocolate nut balls. 150 grams of raisins and 150 grams of dates. And we're going to put them all in the zhuzhi. So here are the raisins and the dates in the zhuzhi. Oh, 4 tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter. I'm doubling everything. You could also do almond. Now this is the good bit. 2 generous portions of cocoa powder. Then about 130 grams of nuts. It could be pecan nuts, but I'm using cashew nuts and hazelnuts. But to be honest, any nuts that you like. Then about 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Now just mix them until it turns into breadcrumbs. What I do to make it have an extra is add more coconut. The mixture's looking very crumbly over here, and now the raw coconut. This is our mixture looking lovely and breadcrumby. So here I am rolling. As you can see, very simple recipe, so it's lovely. I've made 18 balls, but they're very rich, these are, so you can actually halve the sizes of this. And then put it in the fridge overnight, and then the next day just roll it in cocoa powder, and it's ready to serve. It's very delicious, it's very indulgent. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this recipe. Part 2 of my vegan Christmas on its way. Hey!